children, 7th class students. Already in previous class I explained about the symbols. What are the uses of the symbols? And in map the symbols are, it is very important. It is playing an important role in each and every map. Why we are using the symbols means, actually already yesterday I told, if one police station area is there, or post office is there, or some hospital is there, isn't it, or bridge is there, actually that what it is there, that place we cannot locate on map. That's why in the place of that police station, post office, bridge, dam or hospital, whatever it is, we are using some symbols, isn't it? With that symbols, it will come to know us what is the particular place is, means what it is a police station or post office or bridge or hospital. It will come to know us by seeing the symbol. What is there actually, as it is we cannot keep here, we cannot mention, we cannot draw on map. Instead of that we are using the symbol. This is a very important, isn't it? Symbols are very important and easily we can identify and we can guess the place. This is the use of the symbol. Now like that only, the next one is, children, the next one is about the contour lines, isn't it? Contour line. What is called a contour line? A contour, it is a line joining places with equal heights on the map. Contour lines means, see, for example, if you see here means, I draw the line here. First line if you see means, if you see this picture means, this all places where the line is going on. This area is equal to sea level. The place is very equal to the sea level. That means 0. It is 0 meters. This all place where I draw, I am joining this all places with a line. I am joining this all with a line, means this area is equal. The place is equal height. That's why I join this all place with line. This line is called a contour line. Now they come to the next one, 0 to 50. This all where this all place. This place have on same height. That's why that all place, that area, this area I join with a line like this. I join with a line. That means this full area is on equal height only. That's why I join with a line. This line is called a contour line. This is called a contour line. Contour line means it is a line. A contour, it is a line joining places with equal heights. These all places are on equal heights only. That's why I join that all places with a line. That line is called a contour line. That line is called a contour line. Children, what is the use with this contour line means? When the government is laying the roads or dams, or when they are constructing the dams, that time the people, they will take the help of these contour lines. Why means, it will come to know that people, those who are laying, it will come to know the engineers, the people, which areas are on same height. If they construct any dam or any road, how much area it will, means suppose one dam is constructing, and how much area will come under, means under the water, how much area will go, how much area will submerged by the water. It will come to know to the people. According to that, they will construct, the government, the people, engineers, they will construct the dams and they will lay the roads, isn't it? Now these lines, these contour lines, it is very useful to the lay roads and it is very useful to construct the dams and etc. Isn't it? this is one hill area. It is one hill, isn't it? Now, how can we draw the contour lines to this place? This hill means here if you take this one is 200 meters height. Same, I will draw here 200 meters height. This is 200 meters. The height, topmost point is 200 meters. Again, this area, which area is there here? Means hill is there, means it won't be one side. Again, side also will be there. Isn't it? Is it correct or not? Sides also will be there. Not only front part, back also is there. Now again, the same height area. Again, I will draw. And this is 150 meters. This place all 150 meters. Isn't it? Now again, this is 100 meters. Again, I will draw the line like this. Isn't it? Children, here in some places what happened, where the contour lines means the place is, suppose if it is the line is